Have you come across an error you are following too fast on TikTok and looking for fixes? If so, then this video guide will help you to troubleshoot the issue and you can use the app without any error. So let's begin. But before going to the fixes, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Method 1. Wait for some time. One of the best and highly suggested solutions is to wait for some time unless the restriction is taken back. Wait for at least 24 hours and then check if you can access the TikTok feature. Method 2. Delete cache of TikTok app. Follow the steps. First, open settings on your phone. Now, click on apps, find TikTok from the apps list. Here, choose storage and cache. Finally, click on the clear cache option. Then check if the error is fixed. Method 3. Avoid following user against the limit. If you are getting the error, then you should check if you are crossing the daily limit. The following limit on TikTok is 30 per hour or 200 accounts in a day. If you exceed, then it's against the limit. Method 4. Update TikTok app. Follow the steps, open the Google Play Store on your phone. Now, search for TikTok app. Here, check if any update option is available. Finally, tap on update option. Method 5. Avoid using automation tool. If you are using an automation tool to follow requests in bulk, then you have a high chance of getting blocked. Remember, this kind of third-party tool is against TikTok's algorithm. So avoid using such tools. Method 6. Contact TikTok support. Follow the steps. First, open TikTok app, click on Profile. Now, launch menu, choose Settings and Privacy. Next, move down and choose Report a Problem. Describe the error with a screenshot, tap on Submit button.